Hello everyone, welcome to Bada Aussie. Well, today we're doing pasties, Aussie style pasties. Pretty similar to the original Cornish pasties, but the original Cornish pasties probably had like a diced beef, potatoes, turnips, onion, salt and plenty of pepper. But you know, being Australians, we like to change things up around a bit. So I've got lamb in this, lamb mince. Still got the turnips, potatoes, onions. Put a few peas in as well, and it's a homemade short crust pastry. So we'll just go through the process now of making these Aussie pasties. Come and join me and try it for yourself. Thank you. well, it's just about time for the taste test. But the pasty actually dates back to Cornwall and the miners. They used to take these into the mine with them because their hands were very dirty. They'd use the pastry as a holding of their meat, and they'd eat the meat. But eventually, over time, everyone, you just eat the whole lot. So we'll just go through this now. The pastry's, it's nice and crispy. It's not too thick, and you can see, you know, everything's just cooked inside just the way you want it. And it cuts easy. And of course, Aussies like to have the tomato sauce or ketchup, as we call it. We've always got a nickname for something, call it dead horse here in Australia. So let's see what it tastes like. Oh, that tastes good. You know, the pastry's nice, it's crispy, it's cooked all the way through. It's not too thick, not too thin. You can taste the lamb. Just the hint of the swede. I know swede's not a very popular vegetable, but you know, it goes excellent, like I say, with the pasties, and it's part of the tradition. You can just taste it. Plus you can just, you know, taste the potato and just the hint of the pepper. Very nice dish. You can eat these hot, or you can eat these cold. But just follow the recipe. You'll find it pretty simple to do. And everyone enjoy it. Please press the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you for the next video.